Hello, I'm Emmanuel de los Santos, and this is a presentation I made for the owners of Sushi 2. In this presentation, I will focus on two main factors. First is implementing an effective marketing strategy, and two, learning to maximize profits and reduce waste. So let's get started. So Sushi 2 is a family-owned restaurant that is facing problems with low sales due to their vast lack of marketing. And in order to fix this problem, uh, Sushi 2 must implement an effective marketing strategy that will allow them to achieve marketing success within their business. The restaurant owners must also think big in order to achieve big things. So, in my opinion, it comes to mentality when you want to achieve success. It has been 3 years since Sushi 2 first opened, and the small family restaurant seems to be the same as when it first opened. Most of the customers that Sushi 2 has obtained has been from word of mouth or customers that the main chef previously had before opening up his own restaurant. Also, a lot of our customers have came from the great Yelp reviews that the restaurant has. But in order to make a business bloom, especially a restaurant business, you need more than just word of mouth. You need a good and effective marketing strategy that will allow them to grow as a business. Um, because Sushi 2 is facing this problem, it is time to initiate uh, a new idea, an idea of bringing in an effective marketing plan that will that will affect them and their future positively. The purpose of this slide presentation is to show the owners of Sushi 2 that their business is in desperate need of attention in an area that has never received attention before, which is marketing. So, Sushi 2 must focus on the opportunity. In order to accomplish an effective and fruitful marketing plan, they must focus on the following points. These 4 points are the current situation, their key success factors, their analysis of alternatives, and their strategic option. Once Sushi 2 is able to analyze these 4 points and understand them, they will be ready to implement this marketing strategy that will help them a lot. The current situation is, once again, the problem that Sushi 2 faces. This problem is huge because it is what keeps them from reaching out and obtaining more customers, growing sales, and finding vendors that will allow them to save more money than they already are. Unfortunately, there are many components to success when it comes to a restaurant, and the lack of awareness to these problems shown from the management causes frustration in employees, and it causes frustration in the customers when they realize the lack of attention from the management. So, in order to fix this current situation, we must look at the different alternatives that we can take. The key success factors is that a plan for change is needed, and it will only become effective when every single member of the workplace is in agreement to work for the same goal. In this case, every employee, every the two owners of Sushi 2 must dedicate themselves into implementing an effective marketing strategy that will help the business as a whole. The alternatives I have prepared for Sushi 2's problem consists of 5 main points. The first being that we must dive deeper into social media platforms to increase awareness further than the local area. Sushi 2 is located in a place called The Island, so it is kind of hidden, and it needs social media in order to reach other areas. and attract more customers. The second is paying for an advertisement in locals and highly visited areas. Being close to the beach, paying for a local advertisement would be very helpful because tourists and visitors will be able to see where a restaurant is and visit the restaurant. The third is searching for different vendors and finding the most profitable ones. There is many options and many ways we could find to save money and be able to obtain more when it comes to products and stuff we need. Fourth is hosting contests or small events to interact with our customers. And I think this could be very helpful because we could get customers to follow the restaurant on social media or reach others around our area by hosting these contests or small events. The last one is becoming partners with Uber Eats, especially now with this pandemic. Uber Eats is something that many restaurants are using, and it is helping them out quite a lot. The strategic option that we have, which is the best solution to maximize profits for Sushi 2 and form an effective marketing strategy, which is what Sushi 2 needs, is, in my opinion, the social media option. According to research I've done, the social media marketing is the most effective medium that any restaurant can use. Although it will take some time, according to the graph I provided, it will take at least 5 years or more to see the greater reward. It's still very helpful. The benefits and risks of the strategic option is that the benefits are endless. You'll achieve greater profits, greater publicity within the restaurant, which obviously creates sales. You have the opportunity to expand in the future, and you have the opportunity to beat any nearby competitions. The risk is wasting your revenue on a marketing strategy that isn't guaranteed to work. But in order to achieve reward, you must take risks. My final recommendation is that Sushi 2 takes these ideas and they implement them in order to make this small business grow and become something bigger than what they are. Thank you.